We've all been mesmerized by those jaw-dropping shots. Footage that's clearly been polished by top colorists or filmed in breathtaking locations. But when we try to achieve that same cinematic look ourselves, it falls flat. Why? Because crucial factors like white balance, the specific brand of ND filter, and real-world shooting conditions are rarely taken into account. Introducing Simple LUTs. After 4 years of rigorous testing and backed by over 30 years of combined camera and editing experience, Simple LUTs has completely redefined conversion LUTs. That means each LUT is precisely calibrated and tested for specific ND stops, white balances, and real-world shooting conditions. No more guesswork or cookie-cutter approaches. With Simple LUTs, you get consistent, cinematic color, no matter the gear, filter brand, or lighting scenario. Our LUTs adapt seamlessly to your exact shooting conditions. Stop settling for almost right. Step into the future of color grading with Simple LUTs. Because your footage deserves more than just a one-size-fits-all approach. Simple LUTs, the art of true color.